Hello everyone, today I am going to teach you double expose image example like this one. For this I will use same image. My last tutorial I show you how to remove background from very easy. Okay, we will start. Okay, now I have ordered my image. This is my last tutorial image. It's removed background. For this I have selected two image. I will go to second one. For this I click Ctrl A, then I get selection, then I will click Ctrl C for copy, then I come back to my image and Ctrl Shift V, then I get image here exactly. Then I make little bit less opacity because I want to fix how I want on image, this one. For this I click again Ctrl T for I can make bigger and smaller, one corner and drag. For this you can catch shift and alt key with. Okay, I think this is this area better for me. Then I click enter. I go to down layer, get selection. For this click alter with this layer 5. Then I have shape of this human face. Then I go to upper layer, again add layer mask. Then I will remove all background unnecessary and I get exactly shape of human image. Now I will go to brush, take brush, make little bit opacity less, otherwise you can make blur. Then I make again opacity higher this image. Then I erasing some part of image and here also I want to see some human face, nose, mouth, and like this, maybe eyebrow, also a little bit chin. Okay, that's it. Now we'll go to second image, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, like before I said, go back to my image and Ctrl Shift V, again Ctrl T, get selection. I get Ctrl Shift, Ctrl, not Ctrl Shift, Ctrl Alt Shift and drag little bit bigger with size you want. Okay, then I right click, I go to vertical, fill vertically, then it's changing up and down. I will take down where I want this image. Okay, this method I would like. Then I click enter. Again I go to layer 5 with control with click, then I get shape. I go to layer 7 and add layer mask. Now I have shape. Again I go to brush, I click layer 7 black this mask, then I will erasing where I don't want to see its shape and down also. Okay, it's good. Then I will go back layer 5, add layer mask. I will remove head here part and his jacket. Okay, okay. Now I want to all image make black and white. I go to here, create new adjustment layer for black and white. Now you have black and white, but it's middle. You can take upper, then everything will be black and white. Okay, like this. Then you can little bit adjustment where it should be, how should little dark. Okay, then I will go again. I want to gradient map for, because I want a little bit sepia tone. Click gradient map, then you go here, double click, click here, then select which color you would like. Here I use dark brown. Maybe this way. Okay, now I have prepared my double expose image. I will close. Then I can take type tool and type here double expose, but I will not going to teach you how to type in, but I have ordered to type this layer, this. Okay, this is my double expose image tutorial. I hope you guys will like this. If you like, please subscribe. I will add more videos for you. Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere, After Effects, like this. Future, step by step, you can learn graphic tricks. Have a nice day, everyone.